when Nepal army hear that this water pump is planted through the church, they didn't want the water pump to be there. They broke it and take it away. So later one year, they established a temple there. So they established the temple, but there was no water. They needed water again. And so the army came and asked this gentleman, we need water pump again. So he said, you have taken the water pump back. So if you need, you bring that back, water pump. So when the water pump, and then they didn't want to bring back, but they want to make another water pump there, nearby. They dig the water pump, new water pump by themselves, but water didn't come. They could never try that. And then he again come back and ask, what did you do? The water didn't come here. And then he said, the gentleman, bring the water back, we will pray, the water will come. They bring the water pump back again, they place the water pump there again, and he prayed, the water come again. We have planted 18 water pumps around this area, and over 5,000 people, they every day drink the pure drinking water from those water pumps. In the beginning, the evangelism was closed here. We cannot evangelism here. But now when the water pump come here, the evangelism is very, very easy here. No complaint, no more blocking or stumbling block or stop or persecution, but they accept it very easily. People are hearing and receiving the Jesus Christ.
In het dorp komen s'avonds ook wilde dieren zoals olifanten. Die komen allemaal daar, uit de jungle. En het is gewoon gevaarlijk. Ook tijgers. En een paar dagen geleden is er nog iemand gedood, hoorden we zojuist.
When the water pump from this side was broken by the army, and then for the safety security reason, we have planted this water pump just in front of his house.
Okay.
But this water pump is available for all the people around here.
Yeah.
Every people they come here, they receive the waters from there. There is no boundaries. Everyone to come and free. They can drink and take the water.
Top.
We met here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the people around this village, people come here and receive the water.
Er is grote vraag naar Bijbels. En gelukkig hebben we ook weer hierin kunnen voorzien. En veel bewoners een Bijbel kunnen geven.
We have provided one water pump for these poor family. They have no children and also they had no drinking water. They had to go to river to take the drinking water. They cannot go far away.
Door de waterpomp kunnen ze ook planten en hebben ze ook eiken. Hier, kijk. Deze mensen hebben ook geen toiletten. En hier, dit is de slaapplaats. Ja, je ziet wel hoe arm ze zijn ook gewoon. Dit is het huisje waar ze zitten wonen. Nou, het is toch geweldig dat we hier een waterpomp kunnen geven.
यो
पानी नहुँदा कहाँ जानुहुन्थ्यो पानी?
हामी
खोलामा जानु?
पालोमा उता खोलामा है यता गाउँघर कसकोमा छ
ल,
त्यहाँ जान्थ्यो
पक्नु सक्छ।
अब
यो त
अब
भन्न
चाहिँ
दिनुपर्छ उहाँलाई गुरुबालाई
So when they don't have the water pump, they used to go to the other water pumps, seeking in the villages and to the river. They drink the water from the river. अनि अहिले कस्तो छ?
परमेश्वरले धेरै आशिष दिउन् है मेरो दुःख र कष्ट हेरिदिनु भयो उहाँहरूले मेरो बोली सुनिदिनु भयो र उपलब्ध गराइदिनु भयो त्यसमा धेरै धन्यवाद
So
दिन्छु
he
म।
says he's
हाम्रो
so
pastor, right?
thankful and thank you to the pastors and thank you all donors and thank God for providing me this water pump.
I walk with you through fire and rain. Hand in hand, my love I'll keep safe.
Do you want to go there?
No. This is also for the people here.
This water pump is used by almost 400 families
Okay.
from this village.
Alright, I'm yours, you're mine. Our love is once in a lifetime. We're gonna be alright, even on the line. 'Cause our love is once in a lifetime. I said it once, I'll say it time and again. You, my love, I'll be yours till the end. And so our story